Welcome to this detailed guide on how to use pocket option. If you are looking to get started with binary options trading, you are in the right video. In this tutorial, I'll show you everything you need to know, from setting up the platform to placing your very first trade, and even how to use the tools and indicators that will help you make informed decisions. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your trading skills, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating pocket option and taking advantage of all the features it offers. So let's dive right in. Once you are logged into Pocket Option, you'll be greeted with a clean, easy to navigate dashboard. As you can see in the screen at the center is this live chart. This will show the real-time price movements of the asset that you are currently trading. The chart updates continuously, and this is where most of your analysis will happen. To begin, let's take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where you will find your available trading assets. By clicking this, you will see the currency pairs, commodities, stocks, and even cryptocurrencies. For example, let's choose Euro or USD, which is one of the most traded currency pairs. When you select it, the live chart will automatically update to show its price movements. And at the top of the chart, you'll notice another button, which is View Key Customization Options. You can toggle between the candlestick and line charts, depending on your preference for visualizing the price data. Candlestick charts are the most commonly used for trading, so let's stick with them for now. You can also adjust the time frame of the chart from 5 seconds all the way up to 1 day, depending on how long you want to hold your trade. On the right side of the screen, you'll see this chat box and this leaderboard. The chat box allows you to interact with other traders and ask questions or share tips. The leaderboard displays the top performing traders, which is a great place for inspiration if you want to see what others are currently doing. But always remember, the focus should be on your own strategy, not just by copying others. After navigating or exploring the dashboard, we are now familiar with the layout, and it's time to dive into the tools and indicators that can help you make more accurate trades. To the left of the chart, you'll see the drawing tools. So when you click this will show the trend lines like Fibonacci retracements and other technical analysis tools that can assist in spotting market patterns. Let me show you how to use the trend line tool to identify the overall trend in the market. First, click on the trend line tool from the menu and draw a line connecting two significant price points on the chart. This trend line helps you see whether the price is in an uptrend, downtrend, or moving sideways. It is an essential tool for traders who rely on technical analysis. Next, let's add some indicators. Indicators are mathematical calculations based on the price, volume, or open interest of a security. Let's go with the RSI, or what we call Relative Strength Index, which helps determine if an asset is overbought or oversold. To add the RSI, just click on the indicators, which is this, at the top of the chart. Select RSI and adjust the settings if needed. The RSI will show you whether the market is in an overbought or oversold condition, indicating possible reversal points. Another useful indicator is the moving average. This shows the average price over a certain period, helping to smooth out price action and identify the trends. To add this, just simply go back to the indicators that we clicked earlier, then choose moving average and set the period, for example as 20 periods for short-term trends. Together, these tools give you a well-rounded analysis of the market and can increase the accuracy of your future trades. Now that you are familiar with the layout, the dashboard, and also the indicators for trading or for analyzing the chart, it's time to place your very first trade. This is where it all comes together. Based on your analysis of the chart and indicators, you'll be ready to predict whether the price of the selected asset will be rising or falling. In pocket option, you'll use the green and red buttons to place your trades. These buttons act as your trade button. Let's break it down. The green button, or this buy button, you'll click this button when you predict that the price of the asset will increase by the time the trade expires. Meanwhile, the red button, or this sell button, you will only click this button when you predict that the price will decrease by the time the trade expires. For example, let's say you have analyzed the T Euro to USD chart and you expect the price to rise in the next few minutes. To place a trade, you just need to set your trade amount. Just select this, and below the chart you'll see a field to choose how much you want to invest in this trade. For example, let's select $10. Now you have to choose the expiration time. Expiration time determines how long your trade will stay open. You can choose from durations like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even longer. So let's stick with 1 minute for this demo. Click the green button since you predict the price will rise. So you just need to click the green button to place the trade. After you click the button, a trade marker will appear on the chart at your entry point, and the countdown timer will now start. The trade will automatically close when the timer reaches 0, and pocket option will show you whether your prediction was correct. Either it was a profit and of course loss. You'll see your updated balance immediately. After you have made or completed your very first trade or even few trades, it's important to assess first your performance and learn from your experience or your mistakes. This is where the trade tab comes in action, or the trade history. By clicking on this tab, you can review all your past trades, including the details like the asset, the trade amount, and the outcome, which are the win or loss and your profit or your loss. When reviewing your trades, take note of any patterns. For example, did you win more often with shorter expiration time, like if you won in 1 minute, or longer ones like 5 minutes? So were there certain times of the day when you had better results, or which assets gave you the highest return? So take note of this pattern since this will be really helpful in your trading analysis in the future. Use this data to adjust your strategy moving forward. Over time, you'll begin to recognize what works best for your trading style. You might also want to explore the social trading feature. This allows you to view and even copy the trading style or trades of other successful traders, which is a great way to learn. But remember that don't just copy blindly. Try to understand why those trades are working and use that knowledge to improve your own approach. Finally, don't forget to continue practicing with the given demo account, which is risk-free and it allows you to experiment with different strategies and tools without worrying about losing your real money. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to navigate packet option, use the tools and indicators, place your first trades, and refine your strategy over time. Remember that the key to success is practice and continuous learning. If you found this guide or video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Again, thanks for watching and best of luck with your trades.